Welcome to Digital Bazaar, Click and Cart. Dito, makikita mo ang mga sulit na products, setup tips, at quick reviews para hindi ka na mahirapan mamili online. Kung gusto mo ng legit finds, tara, Click and Cart na! KONKA 380 ml Humidifier Mini USB. Setup Guide, KONKA Humidifier. Base, cover, suction pipe, cotton rod, spring. 380 ml capacity. May red light warning at auto shut-off kapag kulang na ang tubig. Paalala, the product is specially designed for humidifying, kaya mas mabuting huwag lagyan ng essential oil sa loob ng product. Plus point, may filter para linisin ang tubig at mas malinis ang mist. Dual spray modes, 6 hours continuous spray, or 12 hours intermittent spray. Long press the button. May soft ambient light na may 7 kulay. Magaan at portable, kasya sa backpack, perfect sa bahay, opisina o kotse. USB Type Humidifier. Pwedeng gamitin gamit ang power bank, laptop, system unit, or USB charger. Non-slip at shockproof base para hindi madulas o matumba. Tahimik gamitin, walang ingay, mas nakaka-relax. Benefits of using a humidifier. 1. Moisturizes air. Prevents dry air that causes skin and throat discomfort. 2. Soothes dry skin. Helps relieve itchy, flaky, or irritated skin. 3. Eases colds and allergies. Reduces congestion, coughing, and sinus issues. 4. Improves sleep. Keeps airways moist to reduce snoring and improve rest. 5. Helps plants. Prevents indoor plants from drying out. Salamat sa panonood! Kung nakatulong tong video sa'yo, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. May mga product links sa description. Check mo na! Baka ito na ang next add to cart mo. Kita-kits sa susunod na Digital Bazaar, Click and Cart!